Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee and today we have a new update for Oneplus 3, 3T, 5 and 5T, which is in the form of beta update. And if you guys have not updated, then you can download the file from the description below and update your device. If you are running stable version, then download the complete zip file, go to system update, tap this setting icon on the right corner, select local upgrade and make sure you place the zip file inside internal memory. Once you are done with that, select this, your device should be updated. If you guys are rooted, then also you can download the complete zip file, flash it using twrp recovery and you are good to go. So guys, I have updated both of my devices. First of all, let me show you the software information on both the devices. Going to about phone, and here on OnePlus 3 it is open beta 36, on OnePlus 5 it is open beta 10. Android version on OnePlus 3 is 8.0, Android version on OnePlus 5 is 8.1, and both have the latest security patch, which is 1st May 2018. Now talking about the change logs, both the devices have the same change logs on their official website. There is no difference between the changes, and changes consist of system, launcher, OnePlus switch application and messaging application. And first changelog says updated Android security patch to 1st May, which I have already shown you. The security patch has been updated to 1st May on both the devices. Then comes to launcher. They have done few additions under launcher, which says added Toolbox Card in the shelf. So it is available on both the devices. As you can see on OnePlus 3 it is available here, and if it is not available you can hit this add icon. If it is not available over here, you will get an option to add toolbox. By default you have few applications over here, and if you want to add more applications, tap this edit icon and select the applications from here. Next one is added hidden space in app drawer. So this is a hidden space where you can hide your applications. Open up app drawer, swipe from the right and you should have an option of hidden space. Now in this you can tap this add button and select the applications which you want to have it in hidden space, and those applications will be removed from app drawer. Later if you want to remove those applications from hidden space, then you just need to long press this application. You'll get an option of unhide. And the last one under launcher is added support for editing dynamic icons like weather, clock and calendar. So now you can edit the dynamic icons like clock. Go to edit, select the icon, and here you will have all the options of icon packages what you have installed on your device. So going with round, and here you can choose any of these icons. So now moving on to the second changelog, which is under OnePlus switch application. So if you guys are not aware about OnePlus switch, I have made a dedicated video which I'll put up in the description below. You can check out that video for complete info about OnePlus switch. So go to settings, search for OnePlus switch, and here you should have this option. And here they have done few software optimizations, general bug fix and stability improvement. And the last one is under messages, which says added Group MMS, which says group text will be sent via MMS. All recipients can see replies from others. So these are the changes or the additions what they have done on this latest beta. Now talking about the benchmark results. So going with Geekbench application, on OnePlus 3 scores are 1726 in single core, multi-core scores 3382, wherein on OnePlus 5 single core scores 1945, wherein multi-core scores 6694. Now going with Antutu Bench application, and here on OnePlus 3 it scores 1,26,023, on OnePlus 5 it scores 1,90,689, and both the scores are higher than the previous beta update. So guys, these were the things available on this update, and if you have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.